Hey, where that bass go? Hey, where that bass go? Hey, where that bass go? Hey, give me that bass.
That's the hat.
FlyeGhi Shaun.
Hey, return to the polka dots. Remember that? Yo, Bert.
Whenever you ready.
Woo! Let's go. Let them know. Woo! Hey.
Okay, so usually I get that beat to move like a soul shaker. Now I'm going Kobe hard, all liquor with the swag. These shorties aren't used to the dance, how similar because I'm not used to their pants. At least not on though, play it like a banjo. No white lines, but they feel like where the bass go. Hey, where that bass go? Hey, where that bass go? Hey, where that bass go? Check me out, eat whack MCs like animal. Really nice like me, I'm an animal. Boy, like my name's Monster Animal Beast. And y'all rappers look like a beast. Hungry, starving, damage, delivering damage to the music and damage. The emperor planet, fly has landed. Different city that hip hop for bandit. I'm just a bandit, telling y'all like I learn to play this every time I write. Gotta pay the studio for the advice to the mic. And the boys ain't bandits on what they girl like. Aight, next, yeah, I'm ready to game. No, I'm FL, I ain't surfing the wave. No time, right, no chain, no withdraw a bank on it. Sure you wanna dance with a big school.
Hey, where that bass go? Hey, where that bass go? Hey, where that bass go? Hey, give me that bass. Hey, give me that bass.
Hey, where that bass go?
Let's go.
Check me out. Majority of rappers are rappers rather than just an imitation, imitating what they see. Or could it be they're imitating what they wish to be the best? But here's the thing, whatever their best is imitating me. Ha, see, how, I know what I do. Whenever I do it, I doesn't hit. I like a true representative of ladder and ring the bell like lunches in. Again, humongous, all of you rappers dancing next to him.
These rappers can F with him. Hey, where that bass go? Hey, where that bass go? Hey, where that bass go? Let's go. Hey, where that bass go? Hey, where that bass go?
Hey, where that bass go? But he's trying to get crazy. Turn it up, turn it up.
Turn it up, turn it, turn it up, turn it up, turn it, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. I don't need no bass, boy.
I don't need no bass, boy.
I don't need no bass, boy.
You may need that bass, boy. You may need that bass, boy. But I don't need no bass, boy. DJ, give me that bass. DJ, now get rid of that bass. Hey, where that bass go? Hey, where that bass go? FlyeGhi Shaun, man, play the fly, kill yourself.
Let's go.
We get to the next joint.
Let them know.
My boy P. Amari produced this shit for me, man. Ow.
Let's go.
I guess I mentioned I'm the best thing since high definition. P. Amari on the beat, by the way. This boy FlyeGhi Shaun. I'm missing the visual production.
Let's go.
I gotta get sexy with it. Let me get sexy with it right quick, for the ladies. Have to get the money is the plan. Red and green stripes or a big brown band. You must be a woman, cause shorty I'm the man. And I'm getting money from here to Japan.
FlyeGhi Shaun, yeah, shorty, don't stare. From a planet called Sly, way up in the soul lair. You aren't at all unique, but boy, I'm so rare. And my flow with an inner bipolar.
That's like 23 to work my shoes, you'll need my whole hair. Cause when the Jordan sparks, you'll be like, wait, no air. I ain't a bigger, but my cake flip, you rappers all talk back to the shorties in the crib and I just hate this. If getting money's wrong, then I'm about to send and get caramel, red bone, pussy smell like cinnamon. See, I'm a hurricane, you're nice flow, control like maestro. Dice no like dick, but they're all mine though. I go follow for around to farm bros. Y'all frauds and they only out once a year. Like clothes, reindeer, ain't hitting white hair. I'm shooting clothes on the ground, roll by the bed. Like a boy, too, like a boy now. I'm just messing with niggas, it's unorthodox all the time. Because I'm causing them mayhem and working. See, I'm lyrically rocking, you biting bastards. Stuck in the dungeon, this function is called the great rapper luncheon. And if y'all boys dead in lunch, sit up and sleep, I must eat. Hold on, let me brush my teeth. Fake rappers got me hungry, looking at you rappers. All I see is a smorgasbord. It's all for a vibe. Tell the coach that the place can't hold that boy. Who's the best? Yes, I guess I'm into. Yes, I'm into. I'm the best. Inside definition. Who's the best? Yes, I'm into. I'm the best. Inside definition. High definition. High definition. High definition. High definition. Who's the best? Yes, I guess I mentioned. Yes, I mentioned. I'm the best. Inside definition. Who's the best? Yes, I guess I mentioned. Yo, my name is FlyeGhi Shaun, I support Planet Fly Music Group. I do experimental hip hop. If you fuck with new shit and you smoke weed, make noise, please. Before I go, let's spit a little something for y'all acapella, cause you know that experimental shit is creative, so people think you can't get lyrical. It goes something like, so if you something like a star, I'm everything like a galaxy, a poetic genius creating a lyrical masterpiece. Your style couldn't match with me. I'm a monster and a champion, therefore I put the trophy in catastrophe. My swag unlocked, but you mad cause I got it, you couldn't fit half of your profit and half of your pocket. My money goes way back like African knowledge. You mad because I spit fire like the bag of a rocket. All gold sneakers, no chains here. A flow colder than Santa Claus, and I'm flying in all of his reindeer. Airport stay clear, I'm only here for the cheddar man. Call me Peter Pan because my fly never lands fly-ish. I'm packing out, have fly chicks passing out with coconuts in the chain the same size as Patrick's house. I'm higher than a jet if you're in it. If you fly, I'm the it. But at the beginning, my quotation is something like smoke, making the reason these bros crazy. Something like a Jones statement. Ballin', falling. I did it, I got back up again. Like my penis skin to a girl with extra suction. And thank you, my name is FlyeGhi Shaun. Hit me up. I got mixtapes, I got business cards, all that. Planet Fly, kill yourself.
Yo.